Bonjour mes amis. Bienvenue à You Me in French by Meghna. So friends, today we will talk about indefinite articles in French. That is, les articles indéfinis en français. In this video, we will talk about the use of indefinite articles in French and what are the indefinite articles. Before we move to the French indefinite article, let's discuss what is an indefinite article. The indefinite article is used to refer to something for the first time or when you talk about a noun in the general sense. In English, a or an is used as the indefinite article when the noun is singular, when the noun is one. For example, a table. So here we don't know we are talking about which table. It can be any table. A chair, any chair. A pen, any pen. So this way, in French also we have indefinite articles. But before that, let's see the categories of nouns in French. In French, the noun is divided into three categories: masculine singular noun, feminine singular noun, and masculine feminine plural noun. So, according to the gender of the noun, we have to choose the indefinite article according to its category. Now let's see the types of indefinite articles in French. So friends, there are three types of indefinite articles in French. Un before a masculine singular noun, une before a feminine singular noun, and they when the noun is in the plural category. So in this video, we will talk about the indefinite articles in French in the singular category, how to use them, and how to find out the gender of the noun. So friends, now let's discuss the indefinite articles in French when the noun is in singular category. So there are two types of indefinite articles in French when the noun is singular. And the articles are un and une. Okay, so depending upon the gender of the noun in the singular category, we have to put the indefinite article from these two articles. Let's see a few examples in the masculine singular noun category. So, un stylo. So friends, here stylo means pen and the gender of stylo is masculine. So that's why un stylo, a pen. Then cahier. C-A-H-I-E-R. Cahier means notebook. A cahier, a notebook. Then let's see a few examples in the feminine singular noun category. Une chaise. Chaise means chair. Une chaise, a chair. Une table, a table. Here chaise and table are feminine. Now how to find out that the noun is feminine? So friends, 75 to 80% of the times when the noun ends with E, when that word ends with E, it means it is feminine. Okay, so before a feminine singular noun, we put une as an indefinite article in French. If the noun is not ending with E, it's masculine, but there are few exceptions also. So let's discuss those exceptions. For example, livre, L-I-V-R-E. It is ending with E, but it's masculine. Livre means book, un livre, a book. Cartable, cartable, a bag. So friends, it's ending with E, but still it is masculine in gender. So that's why un cartable, a bag. This way, 25% of the nouns, they do not follow the rule. They come under the category of exception. And by reading more and more in French gradually, we come to know that this noun is masculine, this is feminine in the exception case. Rest, 75 to 80% of the time, if the noun ends with E, it is feminine, and not ending with E, it is masculine in the singular category. So let's do a few exercises. Let's take a few examples with un and une. Un tableau, a board, a garçon, a boy, un stylo, a pen, un cahier, a notebook, un sac, a bag, a crayon, a pencil, a mirror, a wall. These were the examples with indefinite article un. Now let's take examples with indefinite article une. So let's start. Une table, a table. Une chaise, a chair. Une pomme, an apple. Une porte, a door. Une montre, a watch. Une lampe, a lamp. Une clé, a key. Une cravat, a tie. So friends, please notice one thing. All these nouns are ending with E. And yes, they are feminine. So that's why we have put in article une before these nouns. So friends, this is all for today with the use of indefinite articles in French in the singular category. We'll come with use of indefinite article in the plural category very soon in the next video. So thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel You, Me and French by Meghna. Au revoir, à bientôt.